In this video, I will be answering 6 questions so that at the end, you know what to do to become an IT project manager. Stick with me. The world is changing fast. Industries are scrambling to survive tomorrow. And do you know the number one place where project management is most critical? IT. But wait, what exactly is an IT project? Who is an IT project manager? And most importantly, how do you become one? First question. What foundational key terms must you be clear about? First of all, a project. A project is a temporary endeavor to create a unique product, service, or result. Secondly, an IT project. An IT project will be any tech-driven initiative such as software development, that is, applications, cloud and network infrastructure projects. Think what makes your calls go through or enables your browsing. Cybersecurity upgrades. Think what prevents you from being hacked or your data being stolen. Data migration and analytics projects. Think about moving data between enterprise applications. Data transformation and IT service management projects. Think about internal services supporting operations. The third term you must know is IT project management, which is the process of planning, organizing, executing, and delivering IT projects on time, on budget, and with zero disasters. Finally, the main term you must understand is who an IT project manager is. An IT project manager is that human bridge between business and tech, driving the delivery of IT projects. Second question, to get into IT project management, do you need an IT background? Not all IT project managers start with an IT background. Let's clear the air. Those with an IT background might be from software development, cybersecurity, cloud and network infrastructure, data engineering and analytics, and so forth. Those from non-IT backgrounds could be anyone else. What matters is technical literacy, not coding skills, but caring enough to understand how tech works so that you can lead projects with confidence. Everything else you don't understand, you will support your self-organizing team and learn from them. Third question I'm usually asked, for an IT project management career roadmap, where do you begin? My feedback. 1. Develop technical curiosity. I am not stating you should develop technical competencies first. I am recommending that you care. This single thing will help you keep your job, as opposed to a methodology-focused role, like a Scrum Master role. You do need to care enough and seek to understand how systems connect, what software development life cycles are, and how IT teams work together. So for example, how application development projects go from development to unit testing, to user acceptance testing, to systems and integration testing, to regression testing before product deployment. If you manage a cloud migration project, you must know what cloud computing is. AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and these are not just fancy names. Secondly, you need to master project management skills. You need problem-solving skills to help teams self-organize and deliver. That is one major skill set no one will help you with, and that is the value primarily that you bring to them. Frameworks and methodologies matter because they help with framing complex and complicated delivery approaches, whether it's agile or waterfall or hybrid you're going with. Thirdly, get comfortable with PM tools. For project management tools, at a minimum, you want to be comfortable with Excel. Then Jira, Asana, Trello, or any tool your enterprise leverages. For IT teams, they will leverage cloud performance monitoring tools, security scanning and monitoring tools, DevOps platforms. Lastly, you want to gain IT project experience. Care less about where you begin and more about where you're headed. We're talking about a roadmap here, not a sprint. Fourth question I'm usually asked, do you need certifications? No, but they help. And here's the truth. Certifications help you get in, but they don't replace real-world skills. Don't waste your time chasing multiple certifications before the first job. Get one that matches your target industry and build practical experience. YouTube is a beautiful place. And yes, I do have friends who can help. Best certifications to start with, if you want to get a certification, I will speak to 3 certification types. 1, process-based certification. As mentioned earlier, based on your target industry or based on your country, you might want to have a PMP, Prince 2, an Agile certification, or if you're open to exploring minimalistic approaches, I will recommend checking out Umimo. Secondly, for foundational technical skill sets, I really recommend checking out CompTIA for foundational broad-based technical skills, Cisco for networking, IXC Squared certifications for cybersecurity skills. Then finally, AWS, Azure, or Google baseline certifications for cloud certs. Now, the third category of certifications I will recommend will be application-based IT service management certifications, e.g. Salesforce. There are others, but these will help. The fifth question I would love to address: what do IT project managers actually do? A day in the life of an IT project manager covers more than just tracking tasks. Your responsibilities will begin with communicating between business and tech, translating business needs into tech requirements, and vice versa. You will typically work with a business systems analyst, a project control resource, and technical leads. Secondly, you will manage risks and problems closely. IT projects can fail fast, and your job is to prevent that. Finally, you want to understand system dependencies. Knowing how software, cloud, and networks connect helps you to lead with clarity and helps you with managing risks. The sixth question I'm usually asked: how do you land your first IT project management role? I would usually recommend start where you are. If you're in IT, seek to support initiatives. Gradually, you will build up to the point where you are an IT project manager and eventually to a program lead. If you're starting from a non-IT role, seek to transition into IT support roles, project coordinator, program support, and so forth. Secondly, optimize your resume. Post on platforms and begin aggressively searching and networking. In your resume, highlight your project management skills, highlight your familiarity with tech, and highlight your leadership experience. These will help with considering you for an opportunity. Final takeaways if you want to be an IT project manager. 1. Soft skills will make or break your career. 2. Processes matter, and Scrum is not IT project management. 3. Hard skills matter. Learn the IT basics because it demonstrates you care. Still wondering if IT project management is for you? Drop a comment and let's get this conversation going. If you're serious about becoming an IT project manager, this is just the start. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, every successful tech product you see has an IT project management story behind it. We'll keep the series going, but let us know which topic we deep dive into soon. Drop it in the comments and see you on the next one. Take care.